Hi my friends, today I bought this kit from Shein, and it's a cross stitch kit, 14 count, and as you can see here we have this portrait. That's the final look when we finish the cross stitch. This is how we follow each stitch. These are the shapes and the numbers, shapes of the cross stitch colors linked to the numbers here, and I will show you what I mean with this. Here are the threads that we're gonna make. We're gonna use it for this cross stitch. So you can see here the numbers that relate to this table. So I will just link each color with the number that we need, so it's going to be easy for us to find it here. Now I'm linking all the colors to the numbers related to according to the table that I have, and I made a little bit the video faster because it's the same process. So I will finish it and come back to you. So after when we numbered all the colors, we will bring a tray, and as you can see here they provided the kid with 2 needles, and that's the portrait that we're gonna work on. It's 14 count, which is tiny. The more the number is gonna be up, the more the canvas will be smaller, tinier. I mean the holes for the canvas will be smaller to thread. So for these colors I will use, as you can see here, it's 6 threads. So for my project I will use 2 each, 2 threads each in one time. I will use it, and let's go started. It's big job, but we will finish it. And here it's almost the job done. I just have some few stitches here to finish, and that will be for the head. It's all done, and thanks for watching, and I will provide you with the final result once I finish it. Thank you.